Oh, I didn't know you were here. Hi. Let's get to the craft. These materials for the awesome craft are a hot glue gun or glue, some colored paper, some skin color paint, some brown paint, some pretty decorations, and the most important part, some cups, and some paintbrushes, some pencils, and some... Now let's play a pretty fun game to find the leprechaun. I bet it's in this leprechaun one that literally gives it away. Huh? Peppa Pig in a candy? Not what I expected. What? These random toys in a candy? This? Not what I expected. A leprechaun! Paint 1 cup brown and 1 cup white, or whatever skin color you want. Trace out a circle that is bigger than your cup. I'm using this lid. Here's how they look. I wanted 4 leprechauns, so I cut 4. Cut 4. You just fold the paper. Put glue on your cup. Shape out with your paper. It's not a good day to shoot outside. I'm freezing. Get a pencil and roll the paper around it to make a little bit wrinkle. Let's run before someone catches us. Quick! Stick the googly eye.